Welcome, friends. In today's session, let's understand how we can get a custom view in the quote line editor page. In the quote line editor page, you are seeing the list of product options, means quote line items, right? Quote line items. Product options, what you have configured in the product bundle, so they are quote line items. We have particular fields. Standardly, by default, you are having particular fields of quote line items. Now you wanted to change, add or remove for your quote line items. Okay, how to do that? This is simply, hmm. And one more thing, uh, apart from the YouTube viewers, my regular batch participants also, what they are saying, we are following step by step as per your guidance. Still, we are not getting the result. When we are seeing, assigning that custom view that we created, we are not getting any columns of quote line items. Okay, right. So again, this is a repeated statement from me. The mantra here is API name, API name of the component, API name of the component. So configurators doing the things, but what is doing actually the Genie, that is Salesforce CPQ engine is doing the thing. What Salesforce CPQ engine? Simple, the API name of the component. So this is the key. This is the mantra. Repeatedly, I am telling. Okay, we will see. Ignoring the API name, we will see. We don't get the result. Let us do the mistake deliberately. Let us learn from that mistake. Then let's take API name into consideration. We get the result. By doing the mistake, we will know the importance of API name of the component. Okay, right. So we are going to have a custom view. By the way, how you are getting that fields now, that product code, product name, quantity, listing price, unit price, total net price. How are you getting? Okay, so this is because of the field sets. That is because of the field set designed by the administrators. That field set is being used by the developers who are designing that markup page, I mean that UI. Okay. Well, first we need to understand basic things, right? Some basic things to go there. Let's navigate to the existing code, or you can create any code. That's fine. Okay. When we go to the code line editor, add some products if they are not there. Okay. Some code line group items. Okay. In yesterday's session. Okay. Okay. Right. So in this code line editor page, you have the list of items. Quote line item 1, quote line item 2, quote line item 7. Okay. So what are the fields you are getting? Code, name, quantity, etc., etc., etc. By the way, how these columns are being displayed or iterated, the word I am using iterated, so the programmers can understand it. How it's being iterated, the admins have defined some field sets. Well, like I want this field in first position, this field second position, this field third position, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. So like that, the administrators have configured it. Then the development team, whoever developed these UIs in programmatic manner, they used the field set members iterated. So they have been iterated, and in the first position it came, second position, third position, fourth, fifth, sixth, like that. Okay. Now we need to understand what is the field set name here on the object. What is the object here? These quote line items are the children of quote. Well, where are you actually now? You are in quote object record page. It is quote object. In the quote object, you have quote fields like field 1, field 2, field 3, field 4, field 5, etc. Of which object? Quote object. Okay. Now my requirement is here I am expecting one field, generally pick list field, where I can select I want view 1, view 2, view 3, view 4, right? I have quote line items with cost and markup, or with some additional fields, right? Okay. So that I am expecting here in the quote information. So I am going to have one field on quote object. What the requirements I am? A custom field, probably a pick list field, where on the quote object, the parent object quote. Well, what actually you are iterating? These are the fields of quote line object, quote line, which is the child of quote. Okay. On the quote line object, what you are doing, you are creating field sets. So what are the fields, field set or field sets that you wanted to get? So in field set one, this is the order. In field set, this is the order, and these are the fields I want. Okay, that you are going to get it. Then you will tell the CPQ engine whenever the user selects from here. Where is my pen? Let me get my pen. Okay. Whenever the user selects view one, or this view or that view, otherwise I want view with just product code, quantity, net total, only three fields. One field set, three fields. So he selects that view, automatically here it has to come. Right. Well, like that, any number of field sets you want, you can create and mention the same things in the peak list field. Okay, done. First, what we are doing? We are doing with ignoring API name of the component. Okay, intentionally, deliberately, we wanted to learn from mistakes. Why is this? Not only YouTube viewers, even my own batch participants, okay, even after following, just doing the thing, right? API name, the component label, that is for the user to understand, but for the programmers, for the Salesforce CPQ engine, right? That is the actual genie which does your work. Okay, you talk in your English, but it has to talk in Apex name with the Apex, right? Okay, so API name is important. Okay, so we will ignore it. We don't get the result. We will learn from it, and we take API name into consideration. We make the changes. We get the result. Yeah, deliberately. Let's learn from the mistakes. Okay, done. Next, what I am doing. Two things here. First, I will create a custom field here on the picklist field, and in that picklist field, I will give two values: view one, view two, field set one, field set two. Right. In the code line object, I will create the field sets with the same thing. field set 1, field set 2, or view 1, view 2. Right? Okay, that's it. And what are the configurations? Let us see on the line. Here, what is this? This is the quote objects information. In this quote object information, what you have here is quote line editors field set. This is quote line editors field set. Quote line editors field set. Quote line editors field set. In the quote line editors field set of quote object, you have put these fields. Well, first show list price, some start date, end date, blah blah blah. Okay, here we are going to get that pick list field on creating it. Okay, let's go to the setup. To my regular batch participants, I am showing you in classic now. So this is for the YouTube people. So you should not get confused. That's the reason I am maintaining enlightening experience itself. We are doing mistakes and we are ignoring some important information deliberately. I am not guiding you properly initially, purposefully, right? Purposefully, remember it for your good only. Right. I am going to create a custom field here. One second, let me. Okay, for the previous batch, I have done something. Okay. Well, in the Kotlin editor, I'm expecting a field somewhere here or the first place or second place called select your view. Select your view, some pick list field. Okay, that I am creating here. Uh, Generally, it is pick list field. We are taking pick list field. Okay, two things I am going to have. SHA-View1, SHA-View2. So SHA-View1 represents one type of field set with some type of fields in some order. SHA-View2 represents another field set with some another fields and another order. Okay, right. And the label what I'm giving, uh, select your view. Okay, right. What is the field label that the users see here? The label SHA list price summary, right? Okay. The field label is SHA space, select space, your space, view. Okay. What is the field name? The field name, because blank spaces are not allowed in API, it is automatically taking underscore. Let it be there. This is very important. What I am ignoring purposefully. This field name should be given as per the guidance of the Salesforce CPQ. I am ignoring it. We are not going to get the result. Okay, okay. So I to come back and see. As per the Salesforce CPQ guidance, we should give the API name of the field, this edit lines field set name compulsory. Why? Because the programmers have coded in such a manner that here this is a page block table. Okay, some data table, right? Data table which is iterating the list of records with these many columns. In that, they have used this table. For this table, the programming team in the coding, they use the field set name. Field set name. It will take where the field set name is. That field set name API name they have used because it is a packaged, managed package, right? CPK is a managed package, and even you can't change the code. You can't access the code first of all. Manipulating the code is a different thing. You can't access first of all. So they have used this API name, edit lines field set name double underscore C, where edit lines field set name double underscore C equals to whatever the field set name. If you have not mentioned anything, by default, what is the field set name? Okay, I will show you. I will take you to the code line. Here you have field sets, right? The list of field set for this code line object. By default, it has something called line editor. Line editor field set. Line editor field set. And in this field set, whatever the system admin, the configurator has designed, that I want product code 1, product name as a second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. You see here product code, product name, quantity, blah blah blah. So like that they have done. If you have not mentioned any custom, a field set name, by default it will take the line editor. The line editor. Okay. So it will ask, or if you have not mentioned anything, it will take where this equals to that line item sum, whatever the standard one, simply standard one. Now what we will do, we will create some more field sets on the code line object, and we will mention that SHAVU1, right? SHAVU1, SHAVU2. So here the problem takes place. Here blank space is there, but the programming does not know blank space. So we don't get the result. We take it to consideration and we will understand from there, right? Hmm. So here instead of doing mistake, we have understood the mistake. Let us give the name properly. This double underscore C we need not give. Salesforce will take care. Just we have to give the name as it is. This is the important key. The key here is you are defining any custom views. That field label should be edit lines field set name. That's it. So after creation of this field, double underscore C will be suffixed. Okay. For the user, the label will be shown like this one, but actually programming name for the programmers, it is like this. Right. I can give this one also here, but that doesn't look to the good to the users. So this is the real-time challenges that you are going to face, right? The people, CPQ consultants are facing day to day. So they are sharing these things. That is the reason while learning itself, habituate yourself for a real-time project. Okay, you have created a field. What next? Is it coming here? To refresh? Is it coming, the code field coming to this code information field set? No, no. So how it comes? it will come the field set of quote object. Quote objects field set here. That is quote line edit. Quote line editor, line editor field set of the quote object. Again, going to the quote object, field sets, line editor field set. And what is the API name of this field set? SBKQ underscore underscore line editor. So this is important for you. This is important for you. The programmers, they know, but for you, this name you have to give them, right? So line editor is the label, but actually its programming name is SPKQ. This is the namespace, okay? That is to make the things unique in the package. So they have taken it. Okay, I am editing this one. So these are the fields. They are Charlie's price, blah blah blah. Whatever the field you have created, select your select your something, right? Let it be the first star. Anywhere, wherever you want to put, you put it. Save it. If you go to the code line now and see, refresh. You have to refresh multiple times. I think it has come. It has come. Hmm. You have got select your view. Okay. What is the purpose? If you have not selected anything, default, that is the whatever the package is giving line editor. If you select SHA view 1, automatically here it has to be changed to click on quick save by selecting SHA view 1. See the changes. You see, you didn't get any result because there is no field set name called SHA view 1 so far. Okay, so even after we create SHA view 1 and assign it, you are not going to get the result because the API name we are giving wrong. Here what happened, it has checked where edit lines field set name equals to what is the value you have given, SHA view 1. So there is no field set name SHA view 1 so far. So this is the result. And when you give none value and click on quick save, what happens? The default field set is into line and you are getting those columns over here. That's it. What the next? Let us create those field sets, SHA view 1, SHA view 2 on the code line object. You may not understand in one stretch. So rewind, understand, rewind, understand. Even my regular batch participants, they are not getting the result. Even after clear step-by-step explanation, it's common. You see, Salesforce CPQ using is very simple, a very powerful tool, very sharp-edged tool. Not two-edged, it is four-edged tool. So understanding takes time. That is the thing. Only here, understanding takes time. That's the reverse concept. Understanding takes time. Using is very simple. Okay. Come back to the quote line object. Go to the field sets and create a new field set. So for YouTube people, I am showing enlightening experience. So for regular people, yeah, classic takes faster, right? You people continue on classic. So give some name, SHA view 1. As it is, I am giving. Okay. What the coding make? Is it label SHA space view 1 or the API name of the component, that is underscore na? Right. Just remember this much. Because of this only, we are not going to get the result. We are not going to be successful. Right. Remember. give some meaningful description. So this is your custom field set one, where you want to have some fields: product name, product family, product name, quantity. Okay, I am not giving a listing price or unit price or net price. Okay, just keep it. Only three fields. Save it. Done. What next? Have one more field set. Give another meaningful name. So in my case, I am giving my name as prefixing my name. So what important here is this should match with the pick list field value. Here you have pick list field, SHA-view1, SHA-view2. It should match. So in programming, the markups coding, it will take where edit lines field set name equals to that name. It matches only, you will get that particular field set. Columns will be displayed over here in that order. Right, have one more field set, SHA-view2. Some meaningful description where you are using it, the component. Okay, so I add some fields over here. I'm giving just product name, no family, no code, just product name, and quantity, then unit price, unit cost, and net. These are the four fields I am using. Right. You should get the result now, because what I am feeling is the field set name is SHA-1, SHA-2. What I am feeling is the field set name is SHA-view1, SHA-view2. Clear? In fact, what is the field set name? SHA underscore view1, SHA underscore view2. But pick list field, what you do have? SHA space view1. This is the label. And this pick list field is having two things: pick list field label, pick list entry value. Pick list label, pick list entry value. Pick list entry label, pick list entry value. That value is important for us. So here blank space is there, right? Blank space is there. That is the problem. We are not going to get the result. Okay. Then I am expecting I should get the result. With that intention, I am going and refresh couple of times. Then try to give SHA-view1 and quick save. Are you getting the result? It should get now, because SHA-view1, SHA space view1, field set name SHA underscore, I mean SHA space, right? So what is the problem? Yes, the field set name API name is SHA underscore view1. But what is the pick list field that you have? SHA space. Okay. Can we give SHA underscore view1 here? But practically, you are going to have one more stand-up for this purpose, right? So in our sprint mates, not only sprint, even regular stand-ups also. So many of the CPQ people, so they are expressing me. So this is the thing, only for small thing again, we are at some man hours over there. So habituate yourself for the real time environment and the scenarios. Well, now going to this pick list field on quote object and give that pick list as SHA underscore view1. What is the field set name here? SHA underscore view1. So copy this and give it there. Okay. quote object fields. Understand here carefully. So your project should be like this. This is chance select your view. Going to that pick list field where its API name is edit lines field set name. Hmm? Okay, double underscore C the platform has given. And it has two values, SHA view 1, SHA view 2. Again, it is having pick list entry label, pick list entry value. So programming engine will take, the Salesforce engine will take API name. So this is for the user. Okay, keep it as it is in normal English because they can't understand what is underscore something, something like that. Right. So the best practice, what I am suggesting you, don't give spaces. That is one good thing. Else, take API name into consideration and make the changes accordingly. So here I am changing this value to whatever the field set name that I do have. What it is copy and paste. Okay. So whatever this doesn't matter. This is for the user. If you want to give in Chinese or Japanese, no problem. That is for the user. But what CPQ engine is this? This is needed. What that is expecting is this API name of the field set. That should match. Only for this, only for this small thing. Uh, uh, right, you are not getting the result. No problem. I'm talking about my regular batch participants. So if you want to rewind it one, yeah, rewind any number of times. I know you can't understand in single stretch, but you should be ready for the projects, not just learning what it is. Project. The project should be like this. Here, the label will be different. The API name should be exactly with your component name, right? This is okay. I have done correction. Make correction for the second thing also. API name, what you are sending through the pick list field. What is the pick list field? Edit lines set name double underscore C. Well, okay. So what are the field set name on the quote line object? Give it in the quote objects that edit lines pick list fields, edit lines field set name. The label I have given, select your view or something. That is a label. Right. Now come, everything is fine. Come back, refresh couple of times, make hard refreshes. That's it. Small thing, small thing. To understand it, it has taken this much time. But now onwards, your projects are going to be smoother when this requirement comes into the picture. Right. Now you are in SHA view 1. SHA view 1. So it has taken product family, product name, and quantity. None. When it is none, default list view. Normal. Whatever it has come along with the package. Then you want to have this one, SHA view 2. So whatever the fields you ordered, I mean, you have put in the order. Product name, quantity, unit cost, and net total, right? So simple. That's it. So what are the key points you have learned? API name. API name. So on the pick list field of the quote object, on the quote object pick list field, it should be this much. API name should be this much. That is mandatory. And pick list values should be equivalent with, exactly equivalent with quote line items field set names. API, API, API. names. So this is the understanding. Only the small things we have learned in this lengthy video. Right? Okay. Well, practice it well. Please comment whether this video has helped you. And if you are not a subscriber, yeah, please subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon so that you can get whatever the videos that I upload, bell icon. And share these videos to your circles where the needy people can get benefited. And whatever the queries you have, you can put it in the comments. Uh, in the priority list, I have all the all the requirements that I have to answer. But allow some time to me. Allow some time to me. Uh, oh, no problem. You are giving reminder WhatsApps, no problem. But I will for as per the priority and the time availability. I wish you all the best. So while you explain in the interviews also, job interviews also, why you don't get field set properly populated, right? Explain these key points, these mantras that you have learned. Okay, all the best. Let's meet in another session.